Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to recover deleted photos on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to recover deleted photos on your iPhone, first open up the Photos app on your iPhone and and after opening your Photos app guys, on the library section we will be on the library section, and now at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is the albums option available for us. Tap on that albums option, and over here guys you will be on the album section. So let's go back, and we are over here on the primary album section of our photos on our iPhone. And now in order to recover our deleted photos from over here, let's scroll down until we can find the recently deleted option available for us under the category of utilities guys. Now in order to recover your deleted photos, simply tap on that recently deleted, and let's verify us. And over here guys, you can see there are photos I have recently deleted. Now in order to recover those photos, tap on the photo which you want to recover, and you can see after tapping and opening it, there is the recover button available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that recover button, and again recover photo, and that photo we had just recovered will be available on the library section of our phone over here guys. And you can see this was the photo we had recovered. And there guys, this is how you recover your deleted photos on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.